Hey, how's it going? In this super quick video, I'm gonna show you how you can change your name or username on TikTok. So how do you do it? It's crazy simple. Just go onto your TikTok account. You'll see here that I got my TikTok account up, and there you go, this is my page. If I click on edit, I'm gonna have the opportunity to change both my name and my username. Now see here at the top, Nathaniel J. Harper, that is my name. I can make that anything. I can make that my company name. I can make that the name of me, my nickname, whatever it may be. You can change your name to anything. Lots of people have the same name, so that's how TikTok does it. It's pretty simple. Maybe I'll get rid of the J in this case. I'll hit done and then save. It will say update name. Do you want to confirm? And yes, I will confirm. That'll change my name. And now my name's updated on my profile. Now, if I click on username, you'll see here the opportunity to change my username, but the difference is you can only change your username once every 30 days. You can end up losing out on your previous username as somebody else can come and take that handle now. So be careful if you love your username and you're even a little bit unsure about whether or not you want to keep it. You should probably keep it because it could easily be taken away from you within those 30 days before you could switch back. But that is how you update your name and username on TikTok. Thanks so much for watching. We got tons of great content coming your way all the time, baby.
Do you ever find you're drowning in the noise of social media management? Well, with Agorapulse's advanced social listening, you can find out exactly what your audience is talking about, so you can stay afloat. Dude.